In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to HSBC Online Banking with this detailed 2025 full guide. So, if you're ready to manage your finances easily and efficiently, let's get started. The first step in accessing your HSBC Online Banking account is to open up a web browser on your computer or device. It's crucial to ensure you're on the official HSBC website for your country to protect your personal data and financial information. You can do this by typing the site directly into the address bar or searching for it via a reliable search engine. Once you're on the official page, look for the link that says Log On, Sign In, or Online Banking. The wording might vary a little depending on your location, but it will generally appear in a prominent place on the home page. Click that and you'll begin the process. Once you click the Log On link, you might encounter a QR code encouraging you to download the HSBC app. This can be a tempting choice for mobile convenience, but if you're set on using your browser, don't worry. Simply scroll down on the same page and you'll find an option to continue to log on with browser. Click on this to proceed with logging in through your web browser. Now you'll be prompted to enter your username or logon ID. Carefully type in that information, and when you're done, click the Continue button. Next, you'll need to enter your password. As you type, remember that passwords are case sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is appropriately set. After entering your credentials, click through to proceed. At this stage, if extra layers of security are enabled for your account, you might need to provide a security code. This code can be generated by a security device, a token, or directly from the HSBC app if you've set it up on your mobile device. Input the security code accurately to reduce any chance of errors and further delays. With all the required information entered, click on the Submit or Log On button, and there you have it. If everything checks out correctly, you'll be welcomed into your dashboard or account summary page. From there, you can move on to carry out your banking tasks like checking your balance, transferring money, or reviewing past transactions. Logging in successfully is a seamless match between remembering your credentials and navigating through HSBC's security prompts. Always ensure the site you're entering details into is legitimate, and if you face any issues, HSBC's customer support is available to help. That's it for our guide today, and you should now be confidently set to manage your HSBC finances online. Thanks for tuning in and happy banking.